This is the general information worksheet for the C4P Success tool. It has several things that you can adjust on here, which will make your work easier as you move through the tool. The first thing is the tool start year, and that's the year that the scale up is going to begin in your country or area. You'll see now that it's 2023. By clicking in here, you can change the year to your desired year. Here you see I've changed it to 2024. And now when we go to our other pages, you'll see that that is changed for all of the other sheets. So it's a useful thing for you to have. Just make sure that you have the year that you want the scale up to begin as the tool start year in here. The second thing that you can do is select the country where you're going to be working in. For this particular version of the tool, we have, in addition to AA example country, we have Burkina Faso, Cote d'Ivoire, Guatemala, and the Philippines, because they're the four first success countries that we're going to be working with. In future, you'll have a number of other countries that you can choose from. What this is going to do when you choose this country from here, it's going to automatically change the name of the country in the tool up here on the left-hand side. And it's also going to help you when you do your target population estimates later to provide you with target population estimates from the World Population Projection of 2019, which was the latest one when this was done. If, however, you want to change the place name, whether it's a country or a region within a country that you want to have, you just click here where it says use a custom place name, and you can then enter the custom place name. I'll just put in my custom place name here, and you'll see what happens is that this is going to change throughout the tool so that you can see where you are in the tool. And then that will also allow you to then make changes to the population estimates later on, which we'll talk about. For now, I'm just going to tick back on so it's saying Burkina Faso, as you see here, clicking on. And then I'm going to change the scenario name. The scenario name is up to you. You can say I have a baseline scenario, and you could save the file then as my file baseline scenario, or you could have like an accelerated scale up, for example. And then you'll see accelerated scale up shows up here. Just remember when you save the file, you save it as C4P success, accelerated scale up, or something that you will know is that particular scenario. The purpose of having this scenario name here is really just to allow you to know or remember which scenario you're working on at the time. That's it for the general information page.